Hi, this is Paul here at Hemisphere Coffee Roasters, and one of the things we enjoy doing every day is bring to our customers quality and excellent brewed coffee in the right ratios. And sometimes we talk in terms of kind of over the common person's head that just wants a good cup of coffee in their home. And many of you now are spending more time in your homes. And what we want to do this morning is just break it down to how to make a good cup of coffee in your home with what you have. I'm assuming you have coffee. I don't know if you have high quality coffee. I don't know if it's bean or if it's ground. I don't know what equipment you have. We talk about 18:1 ratios. We talk about Hario V60s and pour overs and bloom and extraction. We're going to take all that away. You don't have to have a scale. You don't have to have a kettle. All you need is your cup. You need some sort of a brewing device. You could actually go to your Mr. Coffee brewer, pull the brew cone out, set the brew cone over your cup, put a filter in, put coffee in, and pour water over it. All you need is some coffee. You need some water to make you a cup of some coffee. So let's just, this is a Hario V60, about a $10 item. This is a bag of filters for this. That's about a $6, $7 item. We'll have them on our store for $16, $17. You can do exactly what I'm doing here. But I want to assure you, you can do this with what you have in your house, and your coffee is going to taste pretty good. I've got some ground coffee here. One of the things that we know in the coffee business is that the grind is just about the most important thing you can do. Yes, you need good coffee, but if it's not ground right, your extraction rate is way off. And grinding, if we grind it too fine, it will over extract. You'll get a bitterness, a bite to it, and it's very slowly going through the brew cone, and you can tell that it's going through very slow, that it's very over extracted just by the rate of it going through. If the grind is too coarse, it's going to just move through very quickly and not bring any essence of coffee with it. So you want to find that balance. And I'm going to assume you ground. You might have a fancy hand grinder. You might have a blade grinder. And if you have a blade grinder, they can work okay. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and know maybe you went to 20 and it was too fine. So now go to 15 the next time. But rather than weighing by weight, 25 grams, I'm just putting 2 heaping scoops of medium ground coffee, leveling the bed. I'm taking water that maybe from your tea kettle is just off a boil. I'm going to put a little bit of water over those grounds. This is called letting it bloom. What's really happening is the carbon dioxide is coming off of the grounds, so that when I put my deluge of water in, I'm not competing with gases coming off and water trying to go in. So we're letting that bloom a bit. You could say 30 seconds. We can go the time that I just talked right here, and we'll start. As you put your water in, try to get it in the vicinity of the center, because that's where your deepest column of grounds are. We're just going here for about a full cup of water. We're not letting the ground bed totally sink. I want to keep it level. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top either. And we'll just do this until what fluid is in the brew cone equals about what it's going to take to brew out, to drip out. And I'll bring a little vessel over here to take that. And what we've got here now is about 15 ounces of Sulawesi, just like we would give you each morning here. So enjoy your coffee at home.
My coffee shop love, and let the other